Low on the front stretch. Clear. Travis up front here at 6.20. Cody's got 6.28. Ronnie at 6.29 and Caleb at 6.89.
Move, Travis.
Cody's on a 29.305. Travis 29.305 with a 3. Ronnie's 28.303. Caleb is 23.307.
4, go high.
High and 4, clear. Minute and a half left. Cody 28.3 flat. Ronnie 28.303. Travis 27.303 and Caleb 22.3 flat.
No, you're third. Third wrong side. Third race. Yeah. All right. I just had to do it. You're second race. Like all 5.
30 seconds left. Well, that ought to be a pretty good view out of 4. Oh, front stretch. That was Cole Trickle was at his.
One's burning now.
All right, time is up. Cody 28.302. Ronnie 28.304. Travis 27.304. Caleb, you need to cross the line, Caleb.
Okay. Well,
Caleb finished 22.320.